Amazon is one of the most deceptive places to shop. When I was making my fairy princess canopy, I wanted to get something like this to hang all the hooks from on the edge. Fairly decent size. I thought that I found it on Amazon. Unfortunately, the picture turned out to be very deceiving, and this is what I got.
Wait a minute!
Like, how is that even? So what I probably should have done is return these floral bamboo crown rings, but I kept them because I thought, what if? So because I kept these, and also because I impulsively bought a lot of fake flowers from the shops recently, I think I probably spent about 13 pounds on all of these. I thought I would turn them into the floral bamboo crown rings that they always wanted to be. And it means I get to use the glue gun again. Okay, I think that's the best one for a crown, maybe? Here's the crown. What do we think? Well, that actually turned out way better than I expected it to. Why don't we make something else? I think I can tie all these together and make a kind of hanging for one of my doors. And I was thinking that this could probably be a little dream catcher even, and I think I'll do that. Off camera, unfortunately. I don't have the storage space to do a time lapse of that, as cool as it would be. Support the channel and subscribe. I actually have no idea how to tie this off. Oh, it's off. My partner found this random little gem thingy on the floor, so I thought I would glue that over the tie so it's either less or more noticeable. I'm not sure yet. It's not the best dream catcher I've ever seen, but it's pretty cool, right? God. I think that's metal in there. Yeah, it is. Right now I'm kind of just trying to invent a knot that will tie these two things together. That first one didn't really work, so we're gonna try again. I decided I'm just gonna use this yarn that I've got to do like macrame knots, and hopefully it works out. It's kind of hard to work with compared to like the regular type of hemp cord or other thicker cords that you would use for macrame, but hopefully it'll do the job. So there that is, and I think I'm actually gonna do a little wrapping knot down here to tie it off. Okay, that's what it's looking like so far, and I'm actually kind of loving it. It's turning out way better than I thought it was going to already. So that's pretty cool. Last one now. I think I'm done glue gunning this one, so I just have to attach it to these two. That's actually the hardest part I found, but it's looking great. I'm excited. There it all is. It's kind of twisting around a little bit awkwardly, but it's gonna sit on a door, I think. I did also wrap around some yarn around this one just to give it a little extra personality. But there is the finished thing. Oh my god, it's so much cuter than I thought it was gonna be. I love it. Decided to hang it right here on my wall. I was kind of dreading making this because I thought that it was gonna look so dumb, but it's actually so pretty. And we've got so many flowers left, so if you have any suggestions for what I should do with the rest of the flowers, please let me know in the comments. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you being here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next DIY. Bye!
Drink a little water